Tensions persist between United States of America and Iran even after the April 8, 2026 ceasefire agreement, which was crucially mediated and arbitrated by the Pakistani leadership. These tensions persist because on one hand, United States of America had deployed its naval and maritime forces, particularly to contain the shipments, vessels, and trade routes of Iranian authorities at the Strait of Hormuz. And on the other hand as well, in general and in entirety of the Middle East, there were various engagements that were recorded and seen between both of the stakeholders, United States of America and Iran, in this particular regard. Keeping in consideration that this entire conflict started on February 28, 2026, and it has been more than 70 days of this turbulent conflict, which on one hand has frustrated both of the stakeholders and on the other hand had also impacted the global economy adversely. Now, in this particular regard, President Donald Trump had said that if a stable ceasefire agreement or a permanent ceasefire agreement shall not be reached between both of the parties within few days, he will repeat the attacks. And in response to that, the Iranian authorities, particularly the IRGC authorities, had said that if the attacks shall be repeated, that will feature much more surprises for the United States of America than it did before. And in keeping in consideration these entire new dynamics of this Middle Eastern conflict between United States and Iran, Pakistan once again stood up with its mediatory and diplomatic efforts, where the Pakistani leadership had sent its official spokesperson, Mr. Mohsin Naqvi, the Interior Minister of Pakistan, to Tehran not once but for 2 times in the past few days. Yes, the Interior Minister of Pakistan had paid his first official diplomatic visit on the last weekend, and his second official diplomatic visit in Tehran was reported on Wednesday, where he met with his counterpart and also with the President of Iran, where discussions related to security, discussions related to the regional stability, trade, and ultimately the ceasefire agreements and proposals of United States of America shall be discussed in detail. These 2 recurrent visits by the Interior Minister of Pakistan were once again reiterated as the intensified diplomatic efforts that are put forth by the Pakistani leadership and Pakistani nation, by all the peacemakers and by all the stakeholders in the world. And once again, Pakistan is being cheered up and Pakistan is being appreciated to a greater extent because of their intensified diplomatic efforts that were just manifested as the 2 times visit of Interior Minister, so that peace could be built and peace could be sustained, particularly between these 2 stakeholders and generally in the entirety of the region. Thank you.